Today I'm going to show you how to make amazing, soft, chewy chocolate chip cookies. And this is 1 cup of softened room temperature butter, 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and then 2 large eggs. And then I'm going to come down and scrape the sides a little bit. I have 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, and then I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Whisk these together, and now we are going to add this flour mixture just a little bit at a time until it's all incorporated. I am using semi-sweet, and this is 2 cups. I'm going to put that in, and I'm just going to take a little bit of dough here. Nice little ball shape like that, whatever size that you want. I'm gonna bake these somewhere between 10 and 16 minutes until they're nice and lightly golden brown, not too brown. And just let it sit on the pan for 2 to 3 minutes. And then we're going to just come in here and move these over to a wire rack, cookie rack, to cool the rest of the way. And I wanna show you the bottom of one of these. Look at that. Look at that nice color, just lightly brown. It's not burnt at all. Take care. Time for me to dive into one of these. Oh yeah. I'm gonna grab this one right here. So good. Wow.